The Giuseppe Garibaldi Monument in Rome is located on Janiculum Hill and was inaugurated in 1895. It features an equestrian statue of Garibaldi by sculptor Emilio Gallori, celebrating his role in the unification of Italy. The monument includes statues and reliefs depicting key moments from his life and the battles he fought, symbolizing his dedication to Italian unity. The site offers panoramic views of Rome and is part of the historically significant Janiculum Hill, associated with the Italian Risorgimento.